can't open this nasal spray. There's just no way it should be this hard. There's no way it should be this hard, bro. Did I even do that? Okay, what is up, guys? Now we're getting into the video. So basically what we have, okay, I need to like move this. Fuck. I don't have any room in my closet. Like literally no room left in my closet. So I thought a great idea today was to go through it and what we like to call here, purge. My hair, don't judge it. I was gonna do hot yoga today and then I didn't because I have like a cough, nasal drip thing going on. Basically, it's from like allergies and I just didn't feel like going today. I'm gonna try and get rid of a good amount of stuff because I did do like some summer shopping slash gonna do more summer shopping. And I wanna make room for my clothes. I just bought 50 new hangers, but I'm gonna try and make room here for the packages I have to show you guys. Like at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you like a little haul. So let's start with the tops. I just really wanted to film this because I wanted to show you guys like what goes through my head when I am trying to get rid of stuff. So everything I'm showing that I'm getting rid of will be on my Depop. I'm determined to make room in this closet, okay? So we have top number one. I really like this, haven't worn it, but I definitely know I'm gonna wear it soon, so I'm gonna keep it. Also this top, similar vibe, but barely worn it. This is brand new, gonna wear it, hopefully, so we're gonna keep those. Just don't know if I'm gonna wear it, but I feel like with a mini skirt, it could be cute. It's just like an asymmetrical top. So I'm gonna keep it, but it's gonna be on my list of having to wear or I'm gonna get rid of it. But it's brand new, haven't worn it, so I have to wear it, right? Here we have this simple tank top, this simple tank top. Okay, we're keeping all those. See, this is so hard for me, but like these stuff is kind of like what I've been wearing, so like we're gonna keep all of it. Okay, we have this like white bodysuit. It's cute, but I feel like I have so much white stuff that I think I'm not gonna wear this, so we're gonna donate it. Okay, I have this collar from Brandy. I like this because I can wear it like under things, like when the season comes back in winter, so we're gonna keep this. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this anymore. I wore it a lot, so I got my money's worth. We're gonna donate it. Okay. This top, I've worn it once. Don't know if I'm gonna wear it again. It's cute, but it's see-through. So we're gonna sell this. I wore this so much like last year, not so much this year. I still like it, so I'm gonna keep it for now, but I might give it away next year's season. I finished the shirts. Now we're gonna go on to like the dresses, the sets, the blazers, like that whole back section. Moving like all of my leather jackets to the closet downstairs, and it cleared up so much room on that wall because I have like literally so many leather jackets. And then I pulled some stuff that I haven't tried on yet that I'm just gonna try on with you guys on camera. One is this like Zara dress that I just got. It's so cute. It's just been in my closet. Haven't tried it on, so we're gonna try it on really quickly. I like it. It's just really long, so I wonder if there's like a way I can like make it shorter. It's like an awkward length. It looks like it's not really flattering on me. If I just tried it on when I got it, like I could have returned it. So this is really upsetting. yeah, it's just not cute on me. What's going on? I hate it. I'm feeling so self-conscious in this. This is awful. So I don't know what to do with this. It's so pretty, like appearance-wise, but just don't look good. So that's upsetting. And then I start showing in the back because I didn't take them off. But I think this is cute. The sleeves are kind of like odd, like that they're like rolled up like that. I could see myself wearing this for sure. Okay, we're keeping her. I feel like this is so cute for like casual, like lounge around. It's definitely not the most flattering. Like it should be like a little cinch, right? Okay, I feel like this is cute. It's just not as like form-fitting as I would probably want it to be. I'm not vibing. This isn't doing much for me. I'm probably gonna give this away. Okay, let's continue to pants and like skirt. This rack is too heavy for its own good. I'm gonna take these leather jackets off. Ah! We're back. Okay, let's go through these pants. So this rack is of trousers that I know I love. And then I have my two favorite pairs of leather pants on this one, perfect. And then I have another pair of leather pants. I think I can sell these. They were pretty expensive. Well, I'm gonna try. Oh, these are like kind of hard to put on. Burst. My thighs are gonna burst out of these. Okay. These are cute, but I doubt I'll wear these because of how tight they are on my thighs. And then I have these pink trousers and these green trousers. These green trousers actually shrunk in the wash. So I think they're like really short now, which aren't really my vibe. I like when things are long, so I think I'm gonna have to give these up. Haven't worn these yet. These are from Zara. I'm really excited to wear these. So cute. Snapped it. Perfect. Okay, now that that is okay, we have the linen pants, and then these brown Aritzia and cream Aritzia pants, and then these are like comfy Zara pants, white trousers. These are like beige trousers. I just don't see myself wearing these but because the color is like a little off, but they are really flattering. I might keep them just in case because I might want to wear like a nude trouser one day. Okay, we have this Brandy skirt I'm keeping, but then I have this Princess Polly skirt that fully shrunk, so I'm gonna rebuy this probably and just not dry it. Brandy pink, Zara pink skirt I haven't worn yet. These hangers break like crazy. I got more of the same one. Probably should have bought a different one, but it is what it is. I'm keeping all of those. This pink skirt, I like it. I just don't see myself wearing it again. Honestly, I might. I'm gonna keep it. I think I might actually end up wearing this, wanting to wear this again, which is like a baby tee. So I'm gonna keep it. Unfortunately, I might want to keep it for like a costume, potentially. So we're just gonna keep this aside. On to the fun part. We're doing a haul. Okay, hold on. Let me get something real fast. So I got a few packages yesterday. Okay, also, I'm so sorry how I look today, guys. I genuinely just wanted to get this done. Ordered, but I actually work with Revolve, so I get to pick stuff every month to post, and it's amazing. I love Revolve. Okay, so this is the first thing. This is like a little pajama top, but I actually envision wearing this as just like a top with the jeans. I've been loving little flowy tops like this recently, and I thought this one was so cute, and just wearing it with jeans will make it so cute. I got some stuff like kind of branching out of my comfort zone this time, because why not? I got this little pretty dress. I really want to get cowgirl boots, and I thought this with cowgirl boots would be so cute, just frolicking around the grass. Like, yes. Okay, I got this little slip dress. Oh my god, this looks tiny, but I'm gonna like probably make the straps longer. We're gonna have to try everything on it, but oh my god, this is so cute. I'm honestly just like aggressively opening all of this. Oh, cute. I just got like a graphic tee. I love little graphic tees for summer because I just throw it on with like biker shorts and I just run my errands or do whatever I need to do. Oh, cute. I just got like this little mini skirt. I thought it would be nice to have just like a white mini skirt, giving me very fancy vibes. Cute. More little silky lounge pants, like little. Oh my god, these are so cute. A little knitted like vest ordeal. This is really cute. And I can wear this in summer, and then I can wear this when it gets cooler because it's like still knitted. It looks crazy, but it's like a baby doll dress, and I think it's so cute. It's definitely a lot of material. Probably gonna be like literally so hot in it, but I think it's so cute. And I really just want somewhere to wear it and take a cute picture in. I love a blazer, and I love wearing blazers as dresses. So the fact that this is like potentially supposed to be a dress makes it amazing. This print is so cute, and like just imagine me wearing this little dress like on a picnic. D, take me on a picnic, please. Choice. Oh, and the slit. Okay. So you're supposed to wear like a slip under, so it's okay. I see what they're doing there. This is essentially like the same style dress. Yeah, this is literally like the same, almost the same exact type of dress, right? Yeah. This looks interesting. I think it's cute. This top looks like it's literally the comfiest thing. So flattering. Super Down. Super Down is actually one of the more affordable brands on Revolve, which is nice. Heels. Oh, these are class. These are class. Definitely need to break them in, but they fit perfectly, so that's good. Tip, girls, if you're shopping for your boyfriend and they like hoodies and sweatpants, get them stuff from Aritzia because it is so comfortable and he loves it. So he got a hoodie from there. Okay, and then I have Zara. Oh my god, this is so cute. I got another black dress. I would literally damn near almost ripped my nail off. Then obviously I have this in white and I just wanted a black one, so I do buy so many things like this. It's fine. I just got these linen pants. They look like they're literally extremely see-through, so we're gonna try them out. Pink ones. These look so see-through, but they're so cute. Then of course I had to get some overalls, hop on the train. Oh, and I got some stuff from Zara that's behind you, but it was with their sale, so I feel like I probably shouldn't show you guys because probably the stuff is already sold out. So that would be kind of mean of me to show you and then it's sold out. So yeah. My camera just fell. Is it okay? Like, are we good? Like, they are just see-through and really big on me. I don't know if I should keep them, just wear nude undies, or what. Obsessed with these. My camera's about to die, but I love these. They're not even that see-through, which is surprising, and they're pretty comfortable. Only thing is they give me a slight camel toe. Camera's about to die, gonna go change the battery, but I think these are cute. I really want overalls to work for me. I just don't know if they ever will. See, like, I thought these were gonna be perfect. I'm strapping this for you guys. I don't know how I feel. Like, I feel like from the front, they look so cute. I wish I could, like, cinch it, maybe. Because from the back, I just, like, not even from the back, from the side. Like, what's going on? I think, like, I like them still, and I feel like I could just wear, like, a little bra top with it. I think I might return them. Unfortunate. I tried on the black like halter dress from Zara and I didn't like it. It didn't fit me right, so I'm really sad because I was really excited about it. But here's the Revolve dress. So pretty, so cute. I'm probably just gonna like eat breakfast now because I'm really tired of trying things on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me like purge through my closet. This is like probably gonna be a part 1 because I need to go through other stuff in my drawers and all that stuff. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Sorry I've been MIA. I'm actually filming another video today because it's Saturday and I'm gonna have a date night by myself because Adia is not in town. So stay tuned for that video. I love you guys and I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.